Pangmalakasan ng cast ng Pinoy adaptation ng hit series na The Good Doctor. Mapapanood na yan soon dito sa TV5. Nasa frontline na balitang yan si MJ Marfori.
The Doctors are in. Sa Pilipinas naman, i-remake ang chart-topping series sa US, Korea, Taiwan at Thailand na The Good Doctor. At syempre, pasabog ang cast, gaya ng umuwi pa sa Pilipinas na si Inigo Pascual.
It was actually my dad who told me that they were doing a remake of this. And I mean, who could say no to a project like this?
Gaganap si Inigo bilang si Doc, isang young doctor na may savant syndrome na may natatanging galing at passion.
Mas magiging Pinoy yung story. We're gonna add a lot of Filipino elements. Syempre yung pagiging religious natin, you know, how will it play in medical world? Kumbaga, di ba meron tayong mga manghihilot.
Back to his acting era naman after more than 20 years. Ang isa pang bida sa serye na si Dabarkads Ryan Agoncillo. Chika niya sa News 5, challenge ito para sa kanya na matatakotin sa dugo.
Tinatanong namin si Direk, gaano ka-extreme ba yung mga kukunang eksena? So, ang pinagkasunduan namin ni Inigo, sabi ko, pare, we're gonna have to have a safe word or a safe action if we're about to faint. Just so magsaluhan tayo. 3 winks and you're about to faint, dude.
Tampok din sa serye ang realidad ng health sector sa bansa na sana raw ay makatulong sa pagmulat ng bayan.
We saw the Good Doctor, the US version, and also the Korean version, or even the Turkish version. Ang layo eh. I mean, there are aspects na hindi pareho. Ayan, for example, diba? Like what Gabby said na about the corruptions, and then at the same time, the problem of our healthcare systems, or ang haba ng pila sa ER.
Yung sinasabi nila na you're one hospital or medical emergency away from poverty.
Kasama rin dito sina Sue Ramirez, Gabby Padilla, M-Quest artist Pearl Gonzalez, Jenny De Belen, James Blanco, Maylene Dizon, Dylan Minor, Tony Labrusca at marami pang iba. This December na ang start ng production na hatid ng M-Quest at Creation Studios. Abangan ang Pinoy adaptation ng The Good Doctor soon dito lang sa TV5. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Johnny Alipon po, maging updated sa latest entertainment at lifestyle. Huwag magpahuli, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.